Mriamo adwo nwa kwaba de abadum TV so bra so se de big agenda dwumadie no de ebre wo ne nanwumre enkoma ayedie efa nhye fofra ban aye so de beboa ama galamse otu ase nipa na ye galamse no mso benya adwuma aye watodin National Alternative Employment and Livelihood Program for Minors opa ho ntoma otakwa nenso nipa bia wonomo eye se adwuma bi metre small scale miners ichiremu a ka hye ti se die esi omo na so na yensa kokromutie ho mopo ba ne say ne yedi dwuma ti sei na ya momma ne ye no krasi ya momma ne ampa ye bekwa so ye ho na ye ne asoafo na di nkomo na ye tie omo so anumu asem ahwe ni nyina mu na oman Ghana ye nti se be ne benya nunu ebubre medin edna na say apofo je ntwe omrai ba ye de nkomo no ebeto aso. Alright, I'm akwaba bia mu de aba big agenda dwumadie so Adom TV so afei ma yenko ahoma no so na ye ne honorable George Mirikuduka wono na oye soafo be de akira ohwe lands and natural resources so e wo mamu ono asan happens to be the member of parliament mo for takwa insayem coincidentally hoso na ye launches adwumadie honorable anyumre ya mo adwo akwaba ba Adom TV so
ma jodo na ampofu eje
mejiri so ho ye de
Tankupole wo yemobor na waso apo me
me ho de nkaye pa na me ne wasem ne nka na how de akire honorable boy kakra ye ka National Alternative Employment and Livelihood Program for Minors na den ene ye ka ho asem
yo enyumbi ma me fan check as ma wasefo na me da waseso akonya azama so ye ka National Employment Livelihood Program ma ye pacha yinde oya yimi anoma na woye galamsey ya pamone fi forest leaders ya pamone fi suduno woye Ghana fo eben kwan na be fado ai ba ma won edwuma ma waye won sanko won dadomo won ko sei ne faase na ye nisu na ye forest in my head ono na mampanyina na do danko akufado ama directive there. It is important na you provide alternative solution to the challenges that you go through. It is that doning na you try as a government. And if I say government, I mean successive government today. Dia, na wabwa galamsey or out of one situation. And so na mono bibi today be a sewing machine be a okosian san dwuma bi oya na onfanye dwuma na yetina from me hu there oya there yitum ye bibi a oye open na in terms of wages no open ma na waji dadaw na wonya dadaw no nti man paying ye there yenye bibi offer no community mining as part of alternative livelihood and employment program. Now, the community mind, what it seeks to do in there, will provide solution to them kanka or galamsey kanka ya yo. Now, no to resolve that na abana ye there will be a viable concession. Minerals Commission winya. Now we dedicate for now that viable concession. Also, now you provide geologists, mining engineers, mineral engineers. Now we too, now wabwa, now why responsible mining. Apart from that, so aban, so I am there. Bamawan, mining equipment. Mining equipment be today gold catcher. Ghana as part of the signature to and commitment to the Minamata Convention. In terms of mercury use, the mercury a very poisonous commodity. It is a minor, now indirectly and invariably, not today. You can Ghana for so gradually, especially there in Kofuzi mercury go consume. Now ubisusa wako nuko kwa si wako sa sunibi wado. Inti ona medamenti or there you provide a quantity by a mine na. Yemfa mercury yemfanye yenye green mining the mining without chemicals obukum nipa
okay
na ono na yedi the machine na processing machine na yefred gold catcher otum so ultra gold almost 95%. Anyone na where gold catcher over catch the ECM technology will use when you gold na it's about 45%. Now we are to asana what on all no what another company or superior technology.
Okay.
Now beat that damus. Now one so about no one so qualifying. But a ban 8 miles to say there Bobwa with machines bottom white gold no about 95%. No, apart from processing machines so a plant pooler advantage point. This plant pool will be there. That's it will be oil mining oil assigned concession by Minerals Commissioner. Also so to the dam machines the a high one. Na what on will go na kakra no wotitia machines in the bo. Because nana ma yina yehu there amountful will lead foreign nationals or Galamsey will sue and Galamsey even will be on for the license, but as per the Minerals and Mining Act or my foreign nationals one year small scale mining.
Yeah.
But the no offer foreign nationals are going to concession do. Maybe some also the only capital or the best tax. Let's assume na banana there. Okay. To stop that and support small scale miners, Mawankasa were building their own local champions in the industry. Aban Bob Wawan now was to equipment Amawan. A bank like ADB. Nanka they establish a minerals development bank, but because of time constraints and other factors, the ADB Akasa there, ADB should set up minerals development unit. One banker who would support miners directly. Now, we fill that gap of bringing in foreign nationals to mine.
All right.
The capital.
Honorable, and Comono, imo de pa na the extension small scale miners ni bi bomb when I say, as I more year, more Canada day, more involved omo.
Small scale miners association, and I won't be able to be anyone and you too. Yer pam kofu efi insumuno yenywana na yer pam one. Yer pam kofu efi forest me yenywana na yer pam one. Nti dam kofu na yer pam ho no wa so oboa he me yer pam ho no na abana ye de let's provide them with alternative livelihood. Yer we kwana won so ba fada where any pain where Ghana free won so be nyedwuma ye. Nti we are doing this together. Nti gizi there say ibi nyan say ya ya manana ya launch nfi ya launch ya campaign ya ka launch na na campaign amma ho kwane de ye ho hihye ni tu hwana mon na ye bo ho bra onya za aye wie na kado wa aye wie no be ka chem amanana ye bo kwana campaign bo kwana ye ba be ye nti we involve them in all the processes na them na yenja ho de chikura no this one over catch the one young coffee etutu fom kra ana mom bia ego to bia no ho na ho to nti yenu anoma ebia na bibinti wan no ya for we fi kasido we do we fi do be chit na yakate ho nde enu nyina ni ruta na mo no all right ya amanana ya
honorable mame nko ahoma no so na me mpacho gina so kakra ma me Michael Kodwo Pepra president Concerned Small Scale Miners Association. Michael, good evening. Hello, Michael.
When you are with you,
upon him to say,
I do near
a bunch of share war year alternative employment livelihood programming. Yes, any boy could remove share na much less buying a more money. Also, for the need come out, say most of Anamontu or more to Yinano, or Monemoan, tea any day, I must say, Yammo money.
I think I will meet with you for na mincha worship. Me think I minister. I think wakasa. Na first of all, I think this alternative livelihood program as the president for Concerned Small Scale Miners Association, we invited the first, and see we be from the ministry, and then yes, and from there, something of this sort has been planned. But then, with the fact that this is not the first time BBC Akoso, Obekaya me time. No so lanti BBC alternative livelihood project. Okay, could be a mess. Some Obekaya mamua media for crano. Through baby namu di now could unkawa. The discipline na be by. As we speak now, that project program and project no. Yehu baby no could be this is something maybe a year minded to know any new. And I Minister Kasano, I think so see in the project alternative mining livelihood project program. My gold refinery machine. Now market will be plant food. Now area my mineral development unit from ADB or not support from ADB. I think they're good. Then it is mere rhetoric. I just have to be candid because if it is a gold refinery machine, Ghana yes, most minus no. I don't see the reason why, and as I don't see how this gold refinery machine a bit me about individuals, but a concession they're in individual basis or a company basis. If I may, they were my fighter. There's another site maybe far apart from any site. And with the security wise, why they didn't go back and go to Kema? What they just go to the call refinery, our flag server. No miner would do such a thing. If you're Kasano, we just wanted him to elaborate on that because I think the minister Enzo Kasano, he was talking about the government basically plant food. Plant food, no, Kasano, Masadan is the excavated Wumbia. If excavated Wuma, yes, but we are also asking minister, Abai in his own wisdom, he said this year excavated. So why were they burning excavated timer of 54 in the buy? All
right. Now, Mami Bisa we na say o questions now one dozen. So right now, Mama Minister you won no, but said you can share ahodo de obisa ho questions no should minister to me answer. Mo ready say mo be cooperate amasa nhye na adwumadi we yakoso.
Yeah, abia ye bia no ye nyina support you. Yeah, I said we've heard these things every day. I'm a time from your archive. Yes, it's our program. Wait. All
right. 80 Mami Misa Minister, how different we are from the previous ones? Instead of a man who is a way by mere rhetoric. No, Honorable Duka. I'm say Wankasa Ote Michael Linka say as what Tibia so yeah. And Konkusiaga this time around, then and a dance on our home. Whatever.
You Nana answer na me yo no no. Mankada Abanama refining. Refining is a big thing in mining. Listen, processing plant. Now, make us say edikani achichebi. Ama oye community mining concessions are you do.
But your processing plant na no then be a
no. Or mining gold in India, no one ya all now. So mining gold, when you all nature there, Bohuna, Ampia.
I say, you are why to Manabi Bisano. Okay.
No, who machine, not machine will process.
I think a whole gold, no sana person. All right.
And also refinery, the young one from another country, but two. Yes, alternative livelihood. My ye being see that. Manor can want them, no MDF, Mineral Development Fund, and Minerals Commission, and now they went into revegetation process. Also a friend or alternative livelihood, but only a general alternative livelihood. Parliament, friend, cabinet, commit about 1 billion. Ghana cedis reflect in our budget, 2022 budget. We'll be reading by Shibogo one chakra. Aban, the whole cabinet and the whole government is committing generally 1 billion, not less than 1 billion, to alternative livelihood. Are able to create in Juma na yada abwa. It's only bibi from kokra manana but as part of mineral development fund na me vice chair on committee for mines and energy our parliament you supervise the processes of hurricane which plantations one na they were into the revegetation the palm oil na that we are will great the other just to create also alternative livelihood. But generally, Aban commits no less than 1 billion towards that. And it's not only revegetation, but reclamation and community mining. And so you will be now Aban that support the team youth. If you so, I mean, can we free do respectfully? The match been for but of small scale mining. What do you need? Small scale.
Where concern small scale miners?
Unfortunately, one year because generally, the number of anybody has been there. My small scale mining association. One chairman or friend of Ura Akufu, and that is to concern for no someone freedom of association or one also what back. Anyone did this year, one question recently because what we know as a ministry, small scale mining association. I'm hearing this for the first time as a deputy minister. You must send it there. Obama yat wonka. Na one also you share one. What's the number? Do one same one. When you now work home na Ghana baby. Na area there serving mining environment obobwa ubia ma yeji dam hawa yinsu for say no yan forest reserve for say no yetumi na responsible mining environment obopia magana kwafa na tampefra woman to one kan na anyway frikati ida nkama so me said that in say one kan papa.
All right, honorable mama now was Michael Michael Fra Homano so yemfa ene enkomo no ensi Michael Otimeka about your last comment.
I think the minister can Mr. Noda Nina ni say ejina pegana hi na Ghana so betime to form a good na Ghana so benefit because in God's own wisdom no him say do baby a go be here I'm on mine. You know, say ye bibi kwa na ye bibi by me ye mu.
Okay.
So concern has been in existence over a decade. They say and then a minister so about this association. Fine, yeah, but then we also avail ourselves. Sending a Ghana for Ghana so a diakuma so.
All right.
Me I not be
All right, Michael, my now as Michael Kojope Prior President, Concerned Small Scale Miners Association, Honorable George Mrikudukaye, Deputy Minister Lands and Natural Resources. Medina Nasiampo for J. Kofi Asan, and a producer show yes, you are in a touch reading then na McBride direct logo su extra sound no na dudu ejina camera net in Medina Nasiampo for J. Yami admire the bishop.